The McChicken burger on McDonald's menu is one of the tastiest things, but let's make a low-calorie, high-protein version that tastes better than the original McDonald's. Start by grabbing ground chicken and then add in all the seasonings that you see listed on the screen and mix it all together. Then you're going to roll 3 even patties and then you're going to place them in the freezer. In 2 separate containers, pour over breadcrumbs and then whisk up 1 egg. Take the patties out of the freezer and coat them in the egg and then dip them in the breadcrumbs. Next, spray a pan with olive oil, lay down the patties and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes at 420 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's baking, mix together light mayo, mustard, and garlic powder. Mix together, and this is going to taste exactly like the McChicken sauce. Next, grab your sesame bun, place the chicken on, top it with your lettuce, then coat the bun with the sauce, and there you have it. Enjoy.